Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Quarantine Zone the last check if it's not launching or keeps crashing on your PC. These methods are quick and easy to follow, so let's get right into it. Solution 1. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Quarantine Zone the last check. Right-click on the game and select Properties. Click on Installed Files. Now click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair the game files. Once it's finished, try launching the game and see if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Next, open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Wait for Windows to install the latest graphics driver. Once done, restart your PC and try launching the game again. Solution 3. If you're using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the NVIDIA app, go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for updates. If a new driver is available, download and install it. After the installation is complete, restart your computer and test the game. Solution 4. For the final solution, open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and find x86. Click VC-Redist x86 to download it. Then click VC-Redist x64 to download it as well. Locate the downloaded files. Double-click VC-Redist x64 first. Accept the terms. Click Yes and wait for it to install. Click Close when finished. Do not restart yet. Now double-click VC-Redist x86. Accept the terms. Click Yes and wait for it to install. Once both are installed, restart your PC. After restarting, launch the game and the crashing or launching issue should be fixed. And that's it. Those are the best ways to fix Quarantine Zone the last check not launching or crashing on PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.